For today's art project, we'll be making folded paper dogs. And even if you wanted to, you could make it a cat or a tiger, something a little different. So this is made out of big paper. It's kind of like construction paper. It's very thick. But you can also use smaller paper and even lined paper if you wanted it to be a striped animal. All you need to do today's art project is paper, a pair of scissors, and something to color with. So I'll be using colored pencils, but you can use crayons, you could use paint. To start this art project, we need to have our paper be a square. So we're going to fold down the corner to turn it into a square. Make sure that the bottom matches up before you fold it tightly. Now, you'll see that there's this triangle on one side and a rectangle on the other. We're going to cut the rectangle off so that our paper is a square. You can have an adult help you cut if you'd like, or you could have them draw a line for you and unfold the paper so you don't make any mistakes. Once you've cut that rectangle part off, you can get rid of it. We won't be using that today. Now that you've finished cutting your paper, you can see that it's a square. You can unfold it to see that you've made a square, but we'll be using the triangle part for this art project, so fold it back. Each corner of the triangle you've made is going to be either an ear or a nose for your dog. The bottom corner will be the nose, and the top two corners will be the ears. Fold up the bottom corner. Now fold the top two corners down to make your dog's ears. Once you have folded down all three of the corners, you're almost ready to move on to the decorating step. But don't forget this one thing. Make sure you fold the tip of the dog's nose down so it's flat. Once you've folded down all of the parts, you can start decorating. I'm starting with the nose, which I used a black triangle for. You can choose to decorate your dog however you'd like. You could make it a black dog or a brown dog or maybe a pink dog. You could put stripes or spots. It's really up to you. I wanted to make my dog happy, so I did 2 curved lines to make a smile. Don't forget to add the eyes. I can't wait to see what you guys make. Maybe you'll add a bow onto your dog, or a Marshall hat from Paw Patrol. Can't wait to see them. Send them to me.